Let's talk about a couple of examples where a management of change process makes a lot of sense. Imagine you're getting a new forklift. What types of hazards will this present? What new procedures are going to be required? And what other resources might be needed, like training, shop supplies, etc. Another example is changing the type of access equipment that may be used. For example, changing side-by-sides or ATV brands or just configuration. What type of training is going to be required? Are there new hazards? Is this going to affect the way that we get our equipment to and from the worksite? There are all kinds of things to consider. One more final example. How about introducing a new industrial lubricant? Is this going to bring about new hazards? Are people going to need to be trained? Is our current PPE appropriate? And are we going to have to change our maintenance schedules? So for your management of change process, it's important first to have a process, to have a place to gather that information and to assemble the right people to make those decisions, to record those decisions, and then of course ultimately to get sign off and make sure that all the corrective actions are tracked through to completion. And that's where in the DATS world, the anything forms module comes in, where we have a template in here. Now I say a template, but you can adopt it, you can change it any way you want. We just want to let you hit the ground kind of running and have a lot of really good ideas that have been proven over time. Let's take a quick look at this example in Widgets Incorporated, a totally fake account. This has been mocked up for demonstration purposes. We have a form introduction that talks about what this process is all about, and if you've been invited, what your role in this might be. We're seeing here what aspects of our organization will be impacted, the impact of the change, whether there's no impact, a minor impact, or a significant positive impact even. Down here we see the utilization of some criterion fields just to work through a systematic process so that we don't just go out and do things like change the lubricant or buy another forklift because it looks cool, or in a case that hits home, true to home for me in the past, try another type of quad. As it turns out, the helicopter can't lift when it's really muddy because the skid plate holds another 50 pounds of mud. So this is a real life process that has a lot of potential benefit. Down here we're going to see cost estimates, approvals, and sign-offs by people, viewership by users, and if I scrolled all the way to the top, we can see all the linked associated tasks with this proposed change. I hope you find this useful. If you have any questions and you want some help, reach out to your coach. We'd be happy to help.